Charles Osborne hiccuped nonstop for 68 years. The saga began in 1922 when he was weighing a hog on his farm. During the process, he took a fall, which seemed to trigger a relentless hiccuping fit. Doctors believe the fall damaged a part of his brain that controls hiccups. Osborne hiccuped up to 40 times per minute, and over the decades, he hiccuped more than 430 million times. To manage, he blended his meals into liquids so he could eat without hiccuping. His extraordinary condition earned him a spot in the Guinness World Records. Remarkably, his hiccups stopped in 1990, just 1 year before he passed away in 1991.